어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs 사랑보다 거룩한 이 한자 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 또 꺼내야 하나 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀 But when you feel like giving up remember keep walking on your way don't look back 너만의 길이야 Even when you fall don't look back 진실은 말이야 Nobody knows Nobody knows Cause it's only yours Only yours yeah Nobody knows
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what.
Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola. I am a certified personal trainer and I live in the great state of Texas. If you are enjoying this super short workout, I would love to invite you to visit my website, KobokoFitness.com, where you can get daily 30-minute workouts. And on top of that, we now have our own built-in community in the app, which means I can connect with you way more directly and way more personally than I can ever do on these streets, okay? Visit KobokoFitness.com. You will see my child in my workouts because when he sees me doing a workout, he thinks it's time to play. So it is what it is. Mom life. Let's continue.
But baby